Hello everybody. I know it's a little late, but happy 2020. This is the first video I am shooting in 2020. Before we get started, the new rules came into effect for YouTube, so I had to do a little bit of restructuring and all that. But anyway, let's get started. So today I am going to show you a program called AnyDesk. And what it is basically it's a remote program just like TeamViewer. And what it is, obviously, just like TeamViewer, is you can remote into different things. They have companies use it and all that. And so let's get started here. So anyway, to get it. Now, this is the first time I'm using it on here. I'm going to use it along as I explain this. I have used TeamViewer before, as you know, and what that is it allows you to remote into different computers. With TeamViewer, you get a code, so if I'm helping you as a general audience, out, right, you would download it, you would give me the code, and I would enter the code in it, I would do it. So we're going to do AnyDesk. So as you can see here, it's AnyDesk, the fast remote desktop app, meaning that you can download it from an app on your phone or tablet. So we're going to do download. And right now, this is all the stuff you can download. Now, I'm using Windows, so the Windows is highlighted. You can download it from Mac OS X, Android, iOS, which is what the iPhones run, Linux, FreeBSD, which is Linux, Raspberry Pi, and even Chrome OS. So, let's download it. And we're going to do a little bit of playing around here. So, open that up and we are going to install it. Do not install this. I'm going to decline that. So as you can see here, there is a number you can access this from. Now this won't be valid because I will take it out. So now what I am going to do is I'm going to go on my iPhone here and we are going to download it on that. So in this case on the iPhone, you scroll to App Store, excuse me. Been a long day. Right? And you type, hold on a second, it's not AnyDesk. It has the app, so you do get. Oh. I have face recognition enabled, so I had to do that. So it's going to download it. So it's downloaded and we open it. Click allow. So it's telling me my address. Now I'm going to remove this so nobody can get in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the address of the computer. So just like TeamViewer, you would type in the number. So in this case, it would be 637 I'm not saying the other numbers for privacy reasons. 641. So as you can see here, I'm going to push connect. And as you can see up here, it came out. So now it's reading that my iPhone is getting the request. So I'm the user, this is somebody else. Pretend these are two different people. So I am going to do accept. And the Windows Firewall is doing its thing. So now the session has started. So if it's telling me new stuff. Okay. And as you can see, my cursor is moving. Okay, so I do what I need to do, right? And up here, it's telling me for my iPhone. So we're done. I could type messages. I could say, hey, what's up? You know, I'll type, you could type messages towards each other. So I can help you out live. So this would be like when you call a help desk for any reason, you would get something like this. Your IP address would show up and they would say, hey, your name, hey, Mr. or Mrs. so-and-so, hey, what's the problem? And they would remote in. So now this person is done. Hey, thank you for your help. I'm going to disconnect. So now it's done. So now I'm going to do it to my iPhone. So what I am going to do is I am going to enter my address in here. This works just like TeamViewer, but I like this better. Oh, yeah. As you can see, I acknowledge it, so I'm going to start broadcast. So I am going to click start broadcast. Now watch this. This is my phone, right? I'm going to do it right here. That comes up. Okay, so this will work on the iPhone. So what I can do, go down here. So if I scroll in, and it quit. It's got a safety feature on here. If you're not active for a long period of time, especially in mobile, on a mobile setting such as your phone, it will kill the connection. So we're going to retry. Okay, so we're going to do a retry. Well, I accidentally killed it. Alright, so we're going to do a retry now. Do start broadcast. It's going to count down. Okay, so now what I should be able to do And I'm scrolling from the phone. So what I should be able to do it's got a safety on it. You have to be constantly on it or it doesn't work. Acknowledge it and start it. There we go. So I'm just gonna okay, so it's not supported. So I'm going to slide that up. I have Sprint for service, so open up YouTube. There we go. So anyway, we're going to click OK. So there you have it. Now, TeamViewer would not let me into my iPhone. AnyDesk does. So and it works quite nicely. So you could do updates and stuff like that. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.